I remember one time coming out of a complex meeting that had a lot of action items that I needed to capture and put into an email for the team. I was dreading it. And then I thought I should use AI for a first draft. It was great. I didn't have to worry about capturing the action items. I didn't have to worry about the formatting. And once I put my own touches and reviewed carefully what AI had created, I sent off the email and it saved me a lot of time. AI can sometimes feel like magic. It has so much power to do amazing things in seconds. When I get an impressive AI result, I'm almost expecting to hear applause in the background. But of course, AI isn't magic. It's a computer program that, like others, has capabilities and limitations. Understanding how AI works can help you get the most out of it. I'm going to walk you through the top things you need to know about AI. And don't worry, I'll do it without all the tech jargon. First things first, let's get on the same page. When we say AI, what are we really talking about beyond the buzzword? You probably already know that AI stands for artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the concept of building intelligent machines that can do things like reasoning through a problem and providing recommendations. But how does it do that? Well, within the world of AI, you have something called models. AI models are computer programs that are trained on tons of data like articles, images, or videos. The model finds patterns in the data and then is able to apply those patterns to new situations like making predictions or generating new content. This process, called training, helps the model improve over time. And this isn't some futuristic technology. Think of your email spam filter. It uses massive amounts of data to help sort emails you want from the emails you don't want, spam. Every time you mark something as spam, it learns from that and gets better and better over time. But what happens when your spam filter gets it wrong and an important email gets lost? The answer may lie in the model's training data. This is the data that AI learns from. Let's look at another example. Say a food distributor trains an AI model to sort apples from other fruit. This model's training data includes thousands of images of apples, enabling the model to recognize, apples. But what happens if the training data only included images of red apples? This might make the model less accurate at identifying other types of apples, like green or yellow. As a result, the food distributor might end up sorting apples incorrectly, causing them to lose money and waste perfectly good apples. A model's training data shapes what it does. It's also one reason why one model may produce different results from another. A second reason is the model architecture itself. How a model is programmed and the rules it applies to its data and learning may vary from model to model. Some AI models, like Gemini, learn from massive amounts of data that go way beyond images of fruit alone. With more data and training, a model can start doing some pretty amazing things. It can understand a request and respond to it, even if it's the first time it's encountering that type of request. This advanced type of model is called a large language model, or an LLM for short. LLMs can learn so much and get so good at predicting based on patterns that they can create entirely new content, like blog posts or a birthday haiku. AI's ability to create something new is called generative AI, or Gen AI for short. It gets even more amazing. Some Gen AI assistants are multimodal, which is just a fancy way of saying they can work with more than just text. They can understand and create images, videos, audio, and more. So you could upload a photo of a chart and ask for a text summary of it, or submit an audio recording of a meeting and have it turned into a list of action items. Or you could easily create compelling visuals for your website or client presentation. Let's look at another way AI is evolving. You may have heard about AI agents. What's that all about? Well, think of agents as systems that combine the intelligence of advanced AI models with access to tools like your calendar or email. Instead of giving an agent a single task, you can give it a broader goal. Then the agent can break that goal down into smaller steps and take action on your behalf, all under your control. For example, imagine telling an AI agent, organize a kickoff meeting for the Q3 marketing project with the design and sales teams for next week. An AI agent could then check everyone's calendars for a free slot, book a meeting room, draft a welcome email with the project brief attached, and send out the calendar invitation. It can handle all the tedious coordination, freeing the team to focus on the actual strategy for the meeting. The opportunity there is not just answering your questions, but actively helping you to accomplish your goals. Okay, great. We've talked about what AI is, how it works, and some emerging capabilities. This is crucial for you to be an informed user. It allows you to make the most of AI's possibilities while understanding its limitations. Let's keep going.